Hey guys, today I am going to be making a slime. This is my first tutorial I ever made. So yeah, if it doesn't really work for you guys, you can use any kind of glue you want. So all you're going to be needing, Elmer's glue, plus toothpaste. You can have any one you want. You can have 3D toothpaste, whatever, but I'm just gonna need it. You can buy, if you don't have this stuff, you can just get it from Dollar Tree or Walmart. Something to mix with a stirring utensil. And so first you want to do is, you want to take your glue and you want to pour it in your utensil. So yeah, now you don't want to pour a lot. I'm going to show you how much. I don't really have a lot. I have to do this first. Yeah, okay, here we go. Just want to pour enough for your slime. This is how much slime I made. I don't know, because I don't want to waste my Elmer's glue, because how much you want. You can have how much you want, but this is how much I want. That's how much I want, and I'm just gonna stir. Just want to pour. If you want, you can pour some water. I had kind of water because I just washed this tub out, in case Yeah. I'm gonna add your crust toothpaste. Don't add too much because it will make your. It will. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Because if you add too much, you're not gonna have a good mixer, but because it won't be even. So you just want one squirt, just one squirt. Let me see if I can get it in there. Yeah, like this much. Yeah. You try to stir it. Okay, now you want to stir. Let's try to get in there. Yep, and look. Oh wow. It's turning to slime already. You want to use see? Something. That's wow. It just already looks like slime. Like, in a second. Giovanni. Wait, guys, what is it again? Yeah, I was going to say something. Sorry, that just had to do it. That's my little brother. Stop. That's my little brother.
Her name is Giovanni.
Yeah, it's just gonna mix it.
She's making goo. Don't die. Just kidding.
Yeah, it's just gonna stir. You can add some more glue. I'm not, because this mixer, I like this stuff. I don't really do this stuff. I just looked it up off of YouTube. Some other Google, whatever comes thing, I looked it up to see how you make it. So, yeah, I'm going to mix it. If you can add more, glue, but I think that's enough glue. Sorry, that's my little brother. He's back from me. I don't know what he's doing. Turn that down. Oh, you cleaning up your mess? Yeah, he's just cleaning up the mess because he just ate.
No, Keona, you can see that on YouTube. Whatever you want. videos on YouTube too.
It's crazy. Guys, we
When you open your leg.
I was going to owing something whatever. Yeah, I don't know what I was saying. I was saying something random. Just my septum. Yeah. If you hear the background of talking, yeah, he's just watching my talking Tom. He's watching on his phone. Yeah. So yeah, I am done here. This is my, let me show you guys. This is my slime. Slime. Okay, see, it's a really good mixer. Really. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Yeah. Let me see, it's a really good mixture. If you guys don't like this video, please subscribe, and I hope you like this video because this is my first video I ever made. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you guys don't like this video, it's okay. It's just, well, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. Bye.